Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop QV35A is one of those smart home devices that genuinely feels like a major upgrade to everyday cleaning. If you've ever wished you could automate vacuuming and mopping without constantly maintaining the machine yourself, this robot vacuum and mop combo offers an impressively complete solution. With powerful suction, intelligent navigation, advanced mopping, and a highly capable all-in-one docking station, it's designed to handle most cleaning tasks with minimal effort from the user. One of the standout features of the Roborock Qrevo series is its 8,000 pascals HyperForce suction power. That level of suction is extremely strong for a robot vacuum and makes a noticeable difference when cleaning carpets, rugs, and hard floors. In daily use, the robot easily picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris that often gets trapped deep in carpet fibers. Even in corners and along baseboards, the suction combined with the side brush helps pull dirt out effectively. For homes with pets or high-foot traffic, this level of cleaning performance can make a big difference in maintaining a consistently clean floor. Another feature that really elevates the overall experience is the all-in-one docking station. Instead of simply charging the robot, the dock performs several automated maintenance tasks that dramatically reduce how often you need to interact with the device. After cleaning, the robot automatically empties its dustbin into a sealed 2.7-liter dust bag, which can last roughly 7 to 9 weeks depending on how often the robot runs. That means you can go weeks without manually emptying the vacuum, which is a huge convenience. The dock also manages the mopping system, which is another area where this robot really shines. The station automatically refills the robot's water tank from its 4-liter clean water reservoir, allowing it to mop large areas without needing frequent refills. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, the dock washes the mopping pads and dries them, preventing unpleasant odors and keeping the system hygienic. This level of automation makes the Qrevo series feel more like a fully self-maintaining cleaning system rather than just a robot vacuum. Speaking of mopping, the robot features dual spinning mop pads that rotate at 200 revolutions per minute. These rotating pads create a scrubbing motion that is much more effective than simple drag-style mops found on many robot cleaners. They can remove dried spills, light stains, and everyday grime from hard floors like tile, laminate, or hardwood. The robot also offers 30 adjustable water levels, which means you can customize how much moisture is used depending on the type of floor being cleaned. Another smart feature is the 10mm mop lift system. When the robot detects carpets, the mop pads automatically lift up to prevent wetting the carpet fibers. This allows the robot to vacuum carpets and mop hard floors in the same cleaning session without creating a mess. It's a small detail, but it adds a lot of convenience and flexibility when cleaning mixed floor types. Hair tangling is a common problem with many robot vacuums, especially in homes with pets or people with long hair. Roborock addresses this with an upgraded tangle-free brush system. The asymmetrical side brush is designed to minimize hair wrapping, and the full rubber spiral main brush helps prevent strands from getting stuck around the roller. This means less time spent removing hair from the brush, and more time letting the robot do its job. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are also very impressive on the Qrevo series. It uses Precise Sense LiDAR navigation, which scans the room in 360 degrees and creates a precise map of your home. The robot learns the layout quickly and navigates efficiently, covering floors in an organized pattern instead of randomly moving around. It also supports multi-floor mapping for up to 4 levels, which is perfect for multi-story homes. The robot's reactive tech obstacle avoidance system helps it detect common household obstacles like shoes, cables, and furniture legs. Instead of bumping into objects repeatedly or getting stuck, the robot intelligently navigates around them. This keeps cleaning sessions running smoothly and reduces the chances of interruptions. All of these features are controlled through the Roborock mobile app, which provides a wide range of customization options. Through the app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, create custom cleaning routes, adjust suction levels, manage maps, and even set specific no-go zones where the robot shouldn't enter. The app also allows you to monitor the robot status and receive notifications about maintenance tasks. Another nice touch is the integration with voice assistants and smart home systems, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. For busy households, this level of convenience makes maintaining clean floors almost effortless. In terms of design, the Qrevo series looks modern and premium. The black finish gives it a sleek appearance that blends well with most home interiors, and the robot itself is low profile enough to clean under furniture like sofas and beds. Despite the advanced technology packed inside, the system remains surprisingly quiet during normal operation, especially on standard cleaning modes. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Series robot vacuum and mop QV35A delivers an excellent balance of power, automation, and smart technology. With its strong 8,000 Pascal suction, effective dual spinning mops, intelligent LiDAR navigation, and a highly capable all-in-one dock that handles dust emptying, mop washing, and drying, it significantly reduces the amount of manual cleaning required in everyday life. For anyone looking to upgrade their home cleaning routine with a truly capable robot vacuum and mop, the Roborock Qrevo series is a powerful and convenient solution that can keep floors looking fresh with very little effort. It's a smart investment for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who wants cleaner floors without spending time constantly vacuuming and mopping themselves.